Hi, welcome to the Sports and GT channel. My name's Stuart. I'm a small car YouTuber and I'm going to tell you how much money I make. So what do I mean about being a small car YouTuber? Well, for one, I'm not small. In fact, quite the opposite. I'm 6'6" tall, or that's about 198 centimetres, almost 2 metres in new money. Secondly, I don't just make videos about small cars. In fact, given what I just said, it wouldn't be particularly easy. What I mean is the channel is small in terms of the numbers of subscribers, around 2,800 at the time of filming, and the amount of time that I can devote to making videos. So, on to the money. Well, once you meet the criteria, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of videos watched, YouTube invites you into their partner program, so you can share the money from advertisers. Even before you're eligible, YouTube will start putting adverts in your videos, but you get nothing from the revenue. Once you're in the program, you get a proportion of what the advertisers pay per video, and it's worked out on the basis of 1,000 views, or per mil. Now there are two numbers to look for in the video analytics. There's the CPM, the cost per mil, which is what advertisers are actually paying. Then there's the RPM, revenue per mil, and that's what you're getting from it. So, for example, if the advertisers are paying £10 per 1,000 ad views, you might get maybe £4 of that, and YouTube keep the rest. Now, both these figures differ from video to video, depending on the content, the time of year, and the subject matter, and how powerful your channel is. Small channels will obviously be at the lower end of that pay scale. So revenue from short videos is done differently. You get a share of a shorts fund, but compared to the long form videos, it's tuppence, it's nothing. All YouTube channels, by definition, start out small. Obviously some get much bigger, much more quickly than others. But what are the things that you can do to help out small car YouTubers, which may well be the future big channels that you might want to watch? So, for one, watch the whole video. Don't sort of stop halfway. It's that first 30 seconds that's really important to YouTube, because if someone gets through the first 30 seconds, it marks that out as being an engaging video. Secondly, don't skip the adverts. It's really tempting, I know, but if you don't skip, then that money goes into the pocket of the YouTuber and they can put that money back into the channel to make better videos next time and make more content. Thirdly, and a lot of them ask you to do this anyway, like the video and make a comment, because again, liked videos and commented on videos are seen by YouTube as much more engaging, and it then puts that video in front of more people. Finally, don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't make a difference particularly to the money, but it does make a big difference to the motivation of the YouTuber, and actually the more subscribers you have, the more you can attract other money coming in from different places. So sponsorships and product placement, that kind of thing, usually is based on how many subscribers you've got, even if you've got a really engaged channel versus having lots of subscribers and hardly any views. So what do I make from the channel? Well, if I look back over the last 12 months, and these 12 months last year hasn't been the busiest on my channel because, like many small car YouTubers, I have a day job to do and it's really difficult to fit in time around that. But my videos have been viewed 115,000 times during that year, and for that I've received just under £400 from YouTube. So that works out about £3.50 per 1,000 video views, or about £1.10 per day. So clearly it's not something I'm about to retire on. It can't be a living, and it's not that great. No one's doing it for the money. However, what I tend to do is put all that money back into buying new equipment, camera equipment, sound equipment, to hopefully make better and better videos. So thank you very much for watching right to the very end of this video, and whilst you're here on my channel, why not check out some of the other videos I've made. But other than that, thanks so much again for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. So what do I get out of the channel? Well, if I look out of